To activate Klarna payment, start by going to the Klarna website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have filled out the registration form, click on the Create Account button to proceed. Next, you will need to verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Klarna. This is a security measure to ensure that the email address you provided is valid and belongs to you. After verifying your email address, you will be redirected back to the Klarna website where you can log into your account. To activate Klarna payment, you will need to add a payment method. You can do this by clicking on the Add Payment Method button and selecting the type of payment method you want to use, such as a credit or debit card. Enter the required information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you have added a payment method, you can start using Klarna to make purchases online. When you are at the checkout page of an online store, select Klarna as your payment method and follow the prompts to complete the payment process. You will be asked to log in to your Klarna account and confirm the payment. It is also important to note that Klarna offers different payment options, such as Pay Now, Pay Later, and financing. Pay Now allows you to pay for your purchase immediately, while Pay Later gives you the option to pay for your purchase up to 30 days after the purchase date. Financing allows you to split your purchase into monthly payments. To manage your Klarna payments, log into your account and click on the Payments tab. From here, you can view your payment history, upcoming payments, and payment schedules. You can also make payments and update your payment methods. Best practices for using Klarna payment include keeping your account information up to date, monitoring your payments, and making timely payments to avoid late fees. It is also a good idea to review the terms and conditions of each payment option before making a purchase. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily activate and use Klarna payment to make online purchases.